welcome to today's episode of Dimitri Daily. Today I wanted to talk to you about Oobleck. What is Oobleck, you might be asking? Well, it's a non-Newtonian fluid, which means that when force is applied to it, it acts actually more like a solid than a liquid. This particular non-Newtonian fluid is made by mixing cornstarch and water. So, as I said, this non-Newtonian fluid is made by taking cornstarch and water in about a 2 parts cornstarch, 1 part water ratio. Here we have 5 teaspoons of cornstarch, and we're going to need 6 for this, for our perfect ratio. So, here's our last teaspoon. Just put that back. And this is 3 teaspoons water, 2-1 ratio. And pour the water in. And get a little stirring stick here. So when you stir it up, you can see how it starts to become thick and gloopy. Very thick and gloopy. And quite odd. If you see, I can slowly sink into it, like that. But if I hit it quick, I can't go in. It's like a solid. It's almost like quicksand, you know, you can lay on the top, go in, but you can't pull out. So, now I want to show you one of the other cool properties of Oobleck. In this pan, I have some Oobleck. I'm going to add a little bit more here, to just get that out. As we can see, it doesn't want to come out because it turns into a solid when I put that force on it. So it doesn't come out very, very easily, as you can see. So, I got some Oobleck in the pan, and you can see how I can push it, and it becomes like a solid when I push it. But when I let go, it's a liquid and flows again. So I can push it like a solid, and now it's a liquid. And I can even pick a little bit up and roll it into a ball in my hand like that, and now it's a liquid again. It was a solid ball. So, this is the property that I want to show you. Because it becomes more like a solid when you apply pressure on it, you can slap Oobleck and it won't go anywhere. Are you ready? It's a liquid again. But when I slap on it, this is a cool new twist on the classic Oobleck. So just like before, I have 6 teaspoons of cornstarch in here, but this time I've added just a little bit of baking soda. And in place of the water, I have 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Vinegar and baking soda, when they are combined, react vigorously to produce carbon dioxide gas. So when we combine the two like this, as you can see, we get a rapid release of that carbon dioxide gas. And you can see how it just bubbles up through the Oobleck in a very cool way. And you can hear the snap, crackle, and pop of that when you move our stirring rod through. And you can see those little bubbles that come up. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing science demonstrations.